Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best personalized gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show someone you care, transforming ordinary items into cherished keepsakes that speak volumes about your relationship and their unique personality, making any occasion from birthdays to anniversaries feel truly special and unforgettable. Number 5. Personalized engraved oak wood pocket knife. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? You're just a click away from creating a unique and practical present that he'll cherish forever. Personalize it with a message in one of 20 stylish fonts and add a special touch with one of 36 unique icons. Stop searching for that perfect gift. This is a unique present that anyone would be grateful to receive. Choose from 20 elegant fonts and 36 icons to make your engraving truly special. It's designed to be both durable and stylish. This knife is perfectly sized for everyday use, with a 3-inch blade and an overall length of 4.2 inches when closed. Safety is a priority. It features a frame lock mechanism to secure the blade when open, and it's easy to close by simply pushing the lock. Each product is specially designed and engraved for you right here in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. What we like? This is a durable oak wood pocket knife that can be personalized with custom text and one of 36 icons. If you are looking for a practical and long-lasting keepsake gift for a man, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for occasions like Valentine's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas, turning a useful tool into a cherished memento. What people say. The engraving on the wallet was crisp and clear, making it a truly personalized gift. The quality of the leather is excellent, and it feels very durable. The packaging was also very nice, arriving in a gift box ready for presentation. Number 4. Whiskey Smoker Kit with Torch. Indulge in the rich and invigorating flavor created by our cocktail smoker kit. The cold smoke infuses a captivating smoky flavor into your food and spirits, elevating your culinary and drinking experiences. The natural wood aroma adds sophistication and luxury. Our premium kit includes everything you need for a perfect smoking experience. From a high-end oak wood smoke top and butane-free torch, to 6 wood chip flavors, ice molds, and 2 glasses, we give you the complete package to enhance your at-home bar. This old-fashioned cocktail smoker kit is the ultimate gift for whiskey, bourbon, and cocktail enthusiasts. The elegant gift box adds a touch of luxury, making it perfect for any special occasion. Our cocktail smoker kit is extremely user-friendly. You can easily prepare the smoker by igniting the chips and letting the cold smoke infuse into your drink or food. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create perfectly flavored drinks and dishes. This cocktail smoker kit is not just for cocktails, it's a versatile tool that can enhance the flavors of almost anything. Use it to infuse natural flavors into meats, cheese, dried fruits, barbecue, and more. Its compact size makes it perfect for use at home or outdoors. Please note that the torch is butane-free and requires filling with butane before the first use. If it doesn't work initially, adjust the black button at the bottom. Butane is not included for safe shipping. What we like? This kit allows you to infuse rich, smoky flavors into your favorite spirits and foods using natural wood aromas. If you are a whiskey or cocktail enthusiast looking to elevate your drinking and culinary experiences, this is the perfect gift. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys sophisticated flavors and wants to impress guests at home or during outdoor gatherings. What people say. The engraving on the wallet was crisp and clear, making the personalized message stand out beautifully. The leather quality is excellent, soft to the touch and appears very durable, which is great for a gift that's meant to last. The packaging was also impressive, arriving in a sturdy gift box that added to the overall premium feel of the item. Number 3. Lara Laser Works Personalized Pocket Knife. Introducing a pocket knife designed just for him. It's laser engraved with any name, date, or message you choose, making it truly unique. With 36 icons and 20 font styles, you can personalize it to perfection. This is a gift he'll want to keep forever. Looking for a meaningful gift? This personalized knife is ideal for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or retirement. Crafted with a stainless steel blade and a wooden handle, it's built to last. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for everyday use or as a keepsake. Customizing is easy. Just select your icon and font, then provide the text for engraving. We ensure a precise and clean result for every order. As a trusted personalized gift brand, we're dedicated to your satisfaction. Have questions? We respond quickly to help you. What we like. This pocket knife features a durable stainless steel blade and a wooden handle that can be laser engraved with a name, date, or short message. If you need a meaningful and personalized gift for a son, dad, or groomsman, this is an ideal option. It's a great choice for birthdays, Father's Day, or as a special thank you gift. What people say. The engraving is very clear and precise, making the gift look very high quality. The item arrived well packaged and protected, ensuring it was in perfect condition upon arrival. The material used feels durable and substantial, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. LOYALLOOK Initial Gold Cufflinks. Discover the perfect blend of classic style and personal touch. These cufflinks add a sophisticated accent to any formal wear. Make a statement with a unique initial. It's a subtle yet meaningful way to express your individuality or a special connection. Expertly crafted from durable copper with a lustrous gold finish. They are designed to last and impress for years to come. Searching for a memorable gift? These make an exceptional present for husbands, fathers, grooms, or any distinguished gentleman. From weddings to business meetings, these accessories elevate any outfit. They are the perfect finishing touch for any occasion. Symbolize your bond with a personalized touch. It's a thoughtful way to show you care, perfect for celebrating special relationships. What we like. These are initial cufflinks made from copper and plated with gold, offering a personalized touch to any formal wear. If you are looking for a stylish and sophisticated accessory for a groom, husband, or father, these are a fantastic choice. They make for an excellent gift that adds a touch of class to any occasion. What people say. The engraving on the wallet was very clear and precise. The leather quality is excellent and feels very durable. The gift box presentation was elegant and made the item feel even more special. Number 1. Personal Prints Music Personalized Name Art. Introducing a unique piece of art that spells out any name using the beautiful details of sheet music. You can even choose from various stunning backgrounds like piano, strings, brass, guitar, and more to perfectly match your style. Looking for a truly special gift? This customized art is perfect for vocalists, musicians, or music teachers. Each piece is as unique as the recipient, making it an ideal present for even the hardest to shop for person. Proudly handcrafted in the USA by a family-owned company of dedicated artists and photographers. We pay meticulous attention to every detail to create a custom gift that you'll cherish. Experience high-quality art on stretched canvas, made from sustainable materials. Our latex-based inks are UV fade resistant and environmentally friendly, ensuring your artwork remains vibrant for years to come. It even comes ready to hang. This personalized name art makes a strong statement wherever it's displayed. Perfect for a music room, studio, or any space in your home or office, it adds a touch of musical elegance. What we like. This is a personalized name art piece created using sheet music details, available on a stretched canvas with various musical instrument backgrounds. If you are searching for a unique gift for a musician, music teacher, or vocalist, this is an outstanding option. It's perfect for adding a bold, artistic statement to any music room or personal space. What people say. The engraving on the wallet was crisp and clear, making the personalized message stand out. The leather quality is excellent, soft to the touch and seems very durable. The multi-tool functionality is surprisingly useful, with a good selection of tools included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.